Hello, Nathaniel, how are you doing?
Good, thank you, yeah.
Alright, thank you. So what are we making today?
Making spaghetti bolognese.
Alright, spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti bolognese?
Spaghetti bolognese.
I hear it's your favourite dish.
It is.
Good stuff. Right, I usually make my own mince. Definitely, always. I prefer it anyway. I know exactly what goes in it.
Yeah.
So I brought my mincer, but I'm sure you might get one for Christmas.
Yeah.
Right. So our mincer, all you need to do is turn it on. Right, now that we've minced the meat,
Yeah.
we're gonna cook it first of all. What I'll do is I cook the meat
Yeah.
in the pan first, just to loosen it, and then we add the rest of the ingredients. So, nice, isn't it, the mince? Once you mince it yourself, it's really good. So all we do is just cook it slowly like this
Yeah.
on a low heat until the meat is loose. Then we add the rest of the ingredients. I'll cover it. That way the steam will loosen it. Right, what we're going to do is dice 2 onions.
Yeah.
Because we're using quite a bit mince. And there we are. And I don't go to the end.
Yeah.
It's held there, you remember?
Yeah.
And cut it very fine. Right, it's all yours. You can do the rest. And as we can see here, the mince, can you see the mince is getting looser?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mind your thumb. Yeah.
Thin as possible.
And your thumb again. Did you go to the gym? You seem to be a lot stronger.
Might have been a dodgy day.
Yeah, it might have been, yeah. Yeah, that's the way to do it now. Yeah, hold it from above. Great stuff. Hold it like this. Hold it tight, yeah. No, now move your thumb, you know, and the other finger as well. Yeah, place the knife before you start cutting. Some celery as well.
Yeah.
So all we do is just cut it into very fine strips like that.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's okay to use a food processor if you want. It'll be finer. And then we cut it as fine as possible. Everybody does it, makes it differently. I mean, this is my way. I put like carrots, celery and onions, garlic. I know some people put mushrooms in it. It's not really the real bolognese. Yeah, we'll put them with the onions. And you can do the carrots, 2 carrots.
Okay.
Okay, so we need your sharp peeler. You remember that, the one you got as a present? Wow. Yeah. Couple of carrots. There you are. Do them here over. Be careful, it's very sharp, isn't it?
It's a good one.
It's gonna take a while, but try your best.
Okay.
I'll let you do it.
Thank you.
Can you see the meat is cooking nicely?
Yeah.
Right, we're doing the garlic now.
Yeah. We cut that end off.
Yeah, the root end.
Push it. And then ding it against your hand.
It's come off by itself. Very good. Yeah, that's the way to do it. So easy. Yeah. So have a look at the mince now. It's nice and loose, can you see?
Yeah.
It's all loose. So what we need to do now is put all the vegetables in. Just straight in here. That's the garlic. Yeah. Yeah, go on. Like in the pan.
Only a little bit.
Not on the floor. Right, we've got a couple of bay leaves.
How many?
2, please. Yeah. A touch of thyme, like a pinch of thyme. That'll do. Touch more, sorry. Yeah, that'll do. And then another sprinkle of paprika. That's it. Perfect. And we leave it to cook. Right. Now we have like the onion and the rest, like the celery and carrot, nice and soft. Now we start adding the rest of the ingredients. So we have a spoonful of, like a spoonful. There you are. Touch less, like level. Yeah.
And that?
Yep. All over. Yeah, we need some black pepper. Plenty of black pepper. The tomatoes, 2 tins of tomatoes. Just pour. Right, we need the red wine now. Not that much red wine. Tomato puree. About 3 tablespoons. There you are, chicken stock. Now we'll rinse these. A bit more water. And we leave it to cook for about an hour.
Alright.
45 minutes down the line, and it's getting nice and thick. What do you think, Nathaniel?
Does go.
Does it look like a real bolognese, or
Does.
is it a fake bolognese?
It's a real one.
Oh, thank God. You're the expert at bolognese. The water for the pasta is boiling. It has this much salt and the pasta. Okay, the whole thing. You just push it down a bit as it gets soft down a bit.
Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Loosen it a bit. That's it. Right, Nathaniel.
Yeah.
Looks like the bolognese is ready. Can you see?
Yeah.
And our pasta, the pasta spaghetti is ready. So we're gonna drain it. Okay. There we are. We'll put some bolognese. Okay, and some pasta. You're a big eater.
Yeah.
Right.
Especially with pasta.
Right. Right. I'll get you the
Black pepper. I'll give it.
black pepper and parmesan.
Black pepper's there.
Yeah. You like to touch more?
A little bit more, yeah.
So yeah. You like black pepper as well?
Yes, please.
There you are. You twist it. Stick some sauce on there. Yeah. Now be careful, it's going to be very hot.
It is
See
very
what I
warm.
mean? Yeah, it is very hot. So leave it to cool a bit.
Oh, that's very nice.